Hi, my name is Jason. This is my family, and we love to travel to the beach, or the lake,
in the forest, on the coast,
to the mountains, and even deep underground. I hope you come along as we travel all around our home state of California, the greater United States, and beyond. We invite you to come join us as we go exploring. We've left Grand Canyon National Park and are on our way to Lake Powell. There's a couple of other stops we want to make before we get there. One is the famous Cameron Trading Post, which is a giant store with every possible touristy souvenir you could think of. Don't allow video recording in the store, so we'll head on down the road to our next stop. Horseshoe Bend. We joined about 100 other people to check out the view of the Horseshoe Bend in the Colorado River, and hung out to watch the sunset. To see the amazing colors on the sandstone cliffs as the sun set below the horizon. To be honest, though, it wasn't all that spectacular. The huge crowd, combined with the rather steep entry fee, made for an underwhelming experience. But we did it. I was also nursing a painful foot that had come on since we'd left the Grand Canyon, so hiking up from the rim was not very pleasant. We left Horseshoe Bend after sunset, and that night arrived at our resort, Wahweap Marina and RV Park. Located at Lake Powell on the border of Arizona and Utah. In the morning, we got up and got ready for a boat ride on the lake that would tour the lake, the dam, and Antelope Canyon. These tour boats are very comfortable, with large plush seating, air conditioning, and there was more than enough room as our boat was not very full. Expensive, but it's worth it. It takes you out on the lake for quite a while and down to the dam that forms the lake. There is an automated narration on board the boat while you're touring, but the speakers were so bad that we couldn't understand anything being said. Since we had stopped at Hoover Dam in Nevada, we now had seen both of the largest dams that sit on the Colorado River and at either end of the Grand Canyon. The boat tour continues on past Antelope Island and down into Antelope Canyon on the lakeside. We meandered our way into the canyon as the walls gradually closed in. There were lots of other people, paddle boards, boats, and other tour boats too, that we had to navigate around. Eventually, we reached the point where the canyon was too narrow to go any further, so the boat had to turn around and head back out. But it was a really neat ride. On the way out, we pulled some snacks out of our bag that we'd brought. When we got back to the marina, we checked with the resort and found out that we could get access to the pools at the resort for staying at the RV park. So we headed back to the RV and grabbed our gear and hit the pools. It was a nice way to end a warm day at Lake Powell. The next morning, Jody and the kids did the tour through Antelope Canyon on the land side, but I wasn't able to go because at that point my foot was really killing me. We then grabbed some lunch and headed down the road to our next stop.